Okay, so I got this piece of exhaust that don't want to come out, and it's been pipe wrenched or something, collapsed a little bit. I took a chisel and hit down just a little bit, see if I could get a little crack between it and the thing when I separate it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a drill or a grinder, and I'm going to grind all the way down to the block, make a slot in either side. And then I'm going to try to collapse it in. If I can't collapse it in, then I'll have to take a hacksaw and cut in there just a little bit. Okay, so I got a little bit deep. Just barely scuffed to here, but it's got a little bit of a deepness there. Be careful not to do that. Now that I'm cut all the way back to the block, I can see in there what I got left for pipe. I'm going to try to crush this with a big pair of channel locks, or maybe I'll put the pipe wrench and see if it'll crush it now. And if it doesn't crush it, like I say, I'll take a hacksaw and cut in there just a little bit. If I can get it split open and be able to crush it in on itself, it'll come out. Now this part here I just hit with a chisel and it come right off, trying to collapse it. I don't know if you can see right there around the very bottom where I cut it through the pipe. If you're cutting and you hit the thread just a little bit, it don't matter. See, it's not very thick right there. So what I'm going to do now is take a small chisel and get on the edge and try to roll that in. If I can bend it in, if I can get it to collapse inside itself, it'll come right out. Now, one thing, I do got this sitting on a milk crate, and that's not the best idea. If you can get something down in here and get that started, you're in good shape. I hope you can see that. See, it's starting to collapse up in. Just gotta watch because the other pieces are gonna be sharp. So there we got it. You can see here where I'd cut it with the hacksaw and got it to push in. Now there is a little bit of carbon. I have to take another piece of pipe and try to thread in there. If it doesn't thread in nice, then I'll take a 1-inch pipe tap and clean it out. See, I did get just a little nicky on the, but that ain't gonna hurt nothing. We got that exhaust. We can put a pipe in there now.